welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we will show you how to replace the sensor on the IC-ST20S. It may be time to replace the sensor when readings start to become unstable, the device cannot calibrate, or it has been physically damaged. On this model, changing the sensor is extremely easy. Start by removing the electrode cap, then screw off the probe ring. Pull gently to unplug the probe. Replace the new sensor by lining the tracks up and simply plugging back in. Screw the probe ring back into place. Replace the cap and you're good to go. For more information on how to buy replacement sensors or how to change them over, contact us. We're here to help. Details are in the description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Click on the device icon to take you to the product page. Follow us on YouTube. We upload new videos weekly, or follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.